morning. Oh.
Good morning.
Good morning. We're in the Bay of Islands and this place is amazing. Come here, I'll show you around. Oh, it's bright this morning. We're in the Bay of Islands in Fiji, in an island called Vanua Balavu. And this place is freaking amazing. Oh, the amount of blues here, it's just insane. Look at, do you see this? Do you see this blue? There's so many different colors of blue. We'll go for a dinghy ride until Ashley wakes up. A tight squeeze! Oh! 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 Ashley just woke up. She just woke up. What do you think?
Come on, I didn't just wake up. But let's go for a paddle. It is pretty cool here, so let's go for a paddle.
Wow, the light in here is just magical. We just landed on this island somewhere in Fiji, and we found this dude that lives here. He lives here by himself, like no one. He has no one around, ever. And he's just invited us in, so he's got 3 dogs and a bunch of coconuts.
We met the caretaker here and he's just gonna show us what they've got going on here.
Remember when we went to Hollywood? We did stuff that we never thought we would.
Milani's gonna grab us some coconuts. He might have some cut down already, but sometimes he has to climb the trees to get them. I thought he should make Ben climb the trees. You already have some down or you have to climb?
Oh, cool.
Like you have Ben to climb.
No.
You should show him how.
Backstage parties, drinks and limousines. Yeah. I told you that I loved you, then you said that you love me. Let's not put a label on it, 'cause you call it what you want. Yeah, you call it what you want. A lot of good things that are coming. So
his name's Milani. He's up, way up there in the tree.
yeah, we call it what we want.
He just climbed that. I can't believe it.
Kidding. That is a lot of work.
Kissing for the first time in my car, after drinking with our best friends at the bar.
it's awesome. This is perfect. They're not
Oh, that's good. They call it Fiji gold. What do you think?
I'd say so. We got a special treat today from Milani. We put on a good show too. We climbed the coconut tree to get these down.
The Fijians are some of the nicest, friendliest people we've ever met. They're so friendly. Ah, that's good. It's raining again. But we caught a giant fish, a huge walu. It's like a Spanish mackerel. But we're gonna go into this village here. We're just walking in, see if they can trade it for some vegetables.
They go with the root. You just use the leaves.
This is so cool. Can you eat it raw or is it better cooked?
Cook.
Yeah.
Then you squeeze it, take out the juice, then you can fry. Cook it with the fish.
Cook it with the fish. I think I need a cooking lesson too.
What is
Do you have milk in the shop?
milk? Yes, milk sure, powder.
It's
Only the
okay. I have powder. I have powder.
Oh, is that how you open it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. This little girl. She's posing. It's like 5 p.m. It's 5 p.m? 6 p.m? 4 p.m? 5 p.m. Anyways, it's evening time, and there's one more thing we gotta show you about this place. There's a lot of bats. A lot of bats.
It smells like pot.
Smells like what? Wheat?
It smells like pot, yeah. I think it might be the bat guana. It's so weird. See them. They're in the tree right there.
Oh, that's crazy. You can already hear them. They're chirping away.
Yeah, they're getting ready to go.
It's just like the sun's coming down, shadows are starting to appear. They're huge. They're like huge fruit bats.
They're ginormous. They're ginormous. And they got little hands on their wings. They are kind of freaky Dracula looking. They're right there. You
Where?
see, look at them. They're starting to fly around. Get the dinghy up there. They don't like that.
Let's see if we can scare them up.
Oh, there they are. Go a little further. Do not go in that cave. I will get pooped on. I'll be really mad. It's gross.
Oh my god, you can see them.
Oh yeah. I told you.
You can totally see them. They're all hanging in that tree. It's time to fly the drone. We're gonna scare them up. See what happens.
We'll see how long the drone lasts with vampire bats. Better get farther away. Whoa.
They're alive. They're alive.
Look at that guy. How long do you think the drone has before they eat it?
There's so many. And they're huge.
Look at that right overhead. Wow, that's the most I've ever seen. That's crazy. There's millions more in the trees. There's millions in the trees.
And just like that, it's all over. It's starting to rain in the Bay of Islands, in this beautiful spot. It's still beautiful, but it's raining. This blue is amazing. What do you think?
The blue is amazing, and so is the rain. Look at it. Holy smokes. How's it going?
Come on!
I don't know. I don't know how the camera equipment would do up there. I might need a plastic bag.
The Bay of Islands turn into the Rain of Islands. Rainy Islands.
Yeah, it's crazy, man. How many buckets have you filled now?
I think we filled like 6 big buckets. That's a lot of water. That's like half of our water tank capacity. It's crazy. Look at this. It's just raining down. But the water's still blue. Like, it's still super blue.
It has been raining like this all day. All day. All night and all day. It's crazy out.